morning. So this morning we got a seed guy coming. So I'm gonna move the corn seed over there so that I can put all the bean seed here so we're able to fill up real easy. Just pull the seed tender in here, get underneath the auger. We don't have to go around the seed tender to grab the seed over there. So I'm gonna move that over there and then put all the seed off the truck in here. Should be 20 bags, Dad said, and I should be able to fit that right here. Also, took apart the ditcher, putting new bearings in it in the bottom. Yeah, so that's tear it apart here in the shop. And also, Jared helped me build these, so we got our stuff hanged up here on the wall. Also want to get rid of this stuff too, but we're getting there. Also, got lights coming because we got lights going out here in the shop. Hopefully those are brighter. They should be brighter. I looked at the ones Dad ordered and I found some brighter ones, so should be able to light the shop up a little bit more. The little kittens are up here at the shop. Mama kitten isn't, but the kittens are. Some of them are more friendly than others. I'm guessing that one's not friendly. This one's normally friendly. Jeez, not even let me pet him. It's not nice. Nope. You were just letting me pet you. Only because there's food, of course, but... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Little Brandon over there. He's the one that doesn't like me the most. All the rest of the kittens don't really care too much about getting petted. This one's a big boy. It's also the one that's the most friendly. As soon as there's food, he's there. He's sneezing. Little Brandon there. Just doesn't like people. And if my face isn't... There it is. And the mama cat, she is down there at the other sheds with another baby. I don't know why they're not up here. I don't know why they're not all down there. They're not always together. They're always separate. I don't know. I don't know why. got all the seed in here. This is about 900 units of seed, which is close to probably, well, depending on what seed rate we're wanting to do, which is pretty close to 900 acres worth of seed. We're probably going to plant a little bit higher rate, so it's probably going to be closer to that probably 850 acres worth of seed. Now, will we use all this? Probably not, but it's nice to have it on hand if we do need it. Just 2 different varieties. The bags are different than the totes. But yeah, got it all put in here, taken care of. I actually just got back from getting a battery for my brother's lawnmower. The John Deere mower needed a new battery, so I went and got that. And yeah, just got back to the farm. This camera here, I had record me taking all the totes out of the back of the truck. Well, that drained the battery quite a bit, so it's been charging up while I was gone. It's Landon from the future, and I just want to let you guys know that if you guys are members, you guys are entered to win a jump pack. These things I use all over the farm all the time. I got one in my car, Dad has one, Jared has one, and we use them all the time on the farm to jump everything. We've jumped semis, we've jumped dozers, we've jumped the biggest tractors we have, all with this little thing. And I think it's something that everybody kind of needs. And if you're a member, you guys are automatically entered. I plan on giving this away at the end of July for all the members, just to say thank you guys for the support of the channel. And yeah, thought I'd jump in and tell you guys that. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the video, and back to it. We're going to be switching over the big 24 row to plant beans, 30-inch spacing beans. Never planted beans with this planter before. We got the seed meters a few years ago just in case. But yeah, so it's got corn in it at the moment. We're going to dump the tanks out, and then we got to dump all the row units out, change the meters out. Yeah, it should be fun. I've never done this before. I think Dad has planted 30-inch beans, but I think it was with his old John Deere box planter. Most of the time we like doing 15-inch beans or 20-inch beans. So, yeah, but we need to get acres in the ground whenever it dries up, so we're going to have all 3 planters ready to rock and roll for beans. I've also never planted with this planter. This is a ground-driven unit. Looking back on it, we wish we would have got electric meters, but when we got this thing, that was kind of just coming out. So, but yeah, I just got done changing this to field mode, because whenever it's in transport mode, this whole wheel comes up front and it's in the way. We need to be able to get a box right underneath here so we can dump out the seed tanks. You did not.
Oh, I did not.
There's 2 buttons, and you
push the black one, then I push the red one.
Or you could just push the red one.
How did you get more corn out? All right. That's enough.
We have started. Here's all the new ones, all in pretty little pizza boxes. Well, not new. I mean, they are new. Where'd my knife go? Underneath the pizza box? Yeah. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Oh. Not really. Here's what it looks like. So here's the corn plate. And here's the bean plate. The bean plate has 2 beans because the population's so much higher. Yep. So that's what we're doing. We're taking those off. We're putting these in. And then we're putting these little things in because they go right here and they poke the seed off the seed plate. So got the new deal put in here. So this thing's job is to push the seed out of the seed plate. And this right along here, which we replaced at the beginning of last year, is where the vacuum sucks the seed onto this plate. So this just helps knock it out of the plate. So we gotta change that out. The old one is a little blue one, which kind of matches the corn plates. So bean plates are going in. Then you lock them in place. Sometimes they're a little tough. And then this goes on like that. And then this is the one that was tough. The vacuum hooks onto this one, and then your seed comes through the top. And yeah, that's a nice build-up area for junk. Right in there. Right behind the seed meter. Doesn't cause any problems, but that's where it likes to stay. Kittens are working. You guys are working hard, aren't you? Don't roll off the side. Oh yeah. How about you don't do that to your buddy's face there? It's kind of mean. Oh. This one's the one that doesn't let me pet him very often. Just gotta give him some love. No, you're one of the most friendly ones. So are you. Also, the two most friendly ones are also the biggest ones. Yes, I called you big. Got all the row units switched over. Dad still wants to look at the chains, so I'm gonna let him look at them. He knows which ones he wants to mess with, so he'll mess with them probably tomorrow. But yeah, we got them all laid out here, ready to go back on. Got all the pizza boxes loaded up. We ate a lot of pizza.
Yeah, we did.
Yep. Yep. It's a seed disc pizza. It's really good. With soybeans.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting. But yeah, got that done.
Soy bread.
Soy bread. And the new lights for in the shop are at Mom and Dad's house. We're going to go pick them up, and we might see how bright they are in comparison. We're not going to hang them up, but at least get one out of the box. What'd you say?
Like cats allergic to chocolate and peanut butter.
Probably over there freaking choking on it. One kitten down. Did you force feed it? It's still chewing on it. Why'd you give it to the cutest one we have? He ate it.
I want more.
Yeah. Where's the bag? New lights. These are lights I picked out. Don't tell Dad. Oh, yeah, that's way brighter. Holy crap, that's bright. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Yeah, that's why the top looks kind of like the way it does.
Feel it.
Oh,
No, it's not that hot.
it's not that hot, but you can feel it just right here. Those are way brighter. They kind of mount different though. They got like a little hook, so we're gonna have to put something up different. Holy moly, that's bright. Very nice. We needed that, especially for this corner. Should we hang one? You want to hang one in the corner real quick? What do you think, Brandon, Junior? Think we should hang a light?
We'll throw you up there.
Yeah, I'll show you where to put it. Bro, looks like it's... What are you doing?
This is my favorite. He's so fat.
This one's the fat one. This one never gets up for anything. Unless it's food. Yes. Big kitty.
I feel this one's belt. Oh. No, this one's like full though.
No. You haven't felt him.
Psycho. He's so
He's constipated.
Do I need to massage your belly?
It's the friendly ones that.
This one likes my.
The ones that are the most friendly are the biggest cats.
This one likes my finger.
Why? Because it tastes the peanut butter you gave it.
No.
I'm up at the light. I'm waiting for my very quick brother. I am currently standing in one of the totes that we have corn in. And my brother is slow. I'm in timeout. Yeah. I'm in timeout. It's a pretty good view up here. Just a little shaky. What'd you do? We're gonna put a new light. Where are they? There's new sockets somewhere. Oh yeah. Nice and bright. A lot more bright than the other lights. Nice.